Probability and Statistics Assignment Help. For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at support@statisticshomeworksilver.com or reach us at https://www.statisticshomeworksolver.com. 1. Let X, A be a random sample from Bernoulli distribution with parameter P0 I2. Consider the estimator as which amount following statements is true. A. T1 is better than T2 and T3. B. T2 is better than T1 and T3. C. T3 is better than T1 and T2. D. T3 is a biased estimator. Accepted answers, B. 2. In question I, which of the following is a sufficient statistic? Accepted answers, B. Statisticshomeworksolver.com. 3. Let X be a random sample from Poisson distribution with parameter A fin, complete and sufficient statistics for the family of distributions. Accepted answers, C. 4. Let 11__X be a random sample from U. Which among the following statement is not true? Accepted answers, D. Is statisticshomeworksolver.com. 5. Let X1IC be a random sample from binomial K.P. Where is K known and 0J using Rao-Blackwell theorem? Find an unbiased estimator to estimate the probability of X. 1. Success. Accepted answers, A. Statisticshomeworksolver.com. 7. The population of scores of 10-year-old children in a psychological performance test. 6. 10 laboratory determinations of the value of g, the acceleration due to gravity at Kolkata, a mean 978.27 cm/SEC2 and a standard deviation 4.34 cm/SEC2. Now it is known the population of the measured values of any physical quantity subject to experimental errors normal distribution whose mean is the true value of the quantity. Assuming this fact, find confidence interval for the true value of g. A. 975.22, 981.33, B. 975.05, 981.49, C. 975.58, 980.96, D. 975.17, 981.90. Accepted answers, C. 7. The population of scores of 10-year-old children in a psychological performance test is NOV have a normal distribution with standard deviation 4.7. If a random sample of size 15 has N 17.3, find a 95% confidence interval for the mean score of the population. A. 14.70, 19.90, B. 14.92, 19.67, C. 14.61, 19.99, D. 14.71, 19.89. Accepted answers, B. 8. If 31 measurements of boiling point of sodium have a standard deviation 0.400 C, construction 95% confidence interval for the standard deviations of such measurements. Statisticshomeworksolver.com. Accepted answers, D. 9. From a lot of manufactured bolts produces by 2 companies. Samples are taken from companies. The diameter of a bob in cm are measured as NN equals 10. 11 equals 1.56. S equals 0.48 N equals 15. R2 equals 1.13. S equals 0.36. Obtain 95% confidence intervals for the difference of popul means assuming that the unknown population variance are equal. A. 0.5, 0.96, B. dash 0.5.0.48. A. 0.3496, 0.5946, B. 0.3196, 0.5946, C. 0.3496, 0.5346, D. 0.3196, 0.5346. B. 0.5.0.48, C. 0.1.0.96, D. 0.5, 0.48. Accepted answers, C. 10. A random sample of size 50 has variance 4. Find the maximum error in estimating the mean 95% confidence. A. 1.108 ev. B. 0.5542 C. 0.678 D. 0.322. Accepted answers, B. StatisticsHomeworkSolver.com